Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to New Brick Workshop, something completely different, and I hope you'll find it interesting today. We've made a new side panel awning, which we'll use with our motorhome to keep the sun off. And I need to put some eyelets in so that it can be drawn tight at the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to put eyelets into material. Now, I bought on the internet, in fact from eBay, an eyelet kit. In fact, I've got two in the different sizes. And the idea is that using these, you can make an eyelet. One is that size and one that size. And today I'm going to be demonstrating the use of the one that does this size. And the two techniques are identical. So I'm not going to use the small kit, just the large kit. Now, in the kit, you will get a little gadget for making a hole in the material, and that's the right size hole. You'll get an anvil, I think they call it, which goes at the bottom. You'll get your eyelets. Now, the eyelets are in two pieces. In fact, actually, this part they call the eyelet, and this part they call the washer. And the idea is that you make a hole in the material. You place this on the anvil. You then place the material with the hole in it over there, and then the washer goes on top of that, and then you use this setting tool, and it's shaped so that it'll go down in and then it'll swage out, push out the tall part of the eyelet over onto the washer, and the finished result will look like this. Now, this lower section of this shade that we're making has got some stiffener in this part here, and that's where we're going to put the eyelet. Now, the first thing to do is to take the punch, position it exactly where you want it, trying not to go through any of the stitching which might be here, and then I'm going to make the hole. There's the hole, as you can see, and the piece of material's inside there. The next thing to do is to set up the anvil with the eyelet, that's the one with the tall shoulder, onto there. And then we're going to push the material down so it's over the eyelet. We're now going to take the washer. Now, be warned that with both sizes I've been using, the large ones and the small ones, these washers can end up being sort of stuck together in the packet, and you would think, oh, it's just one. But then when you look at it really, really carefully, because they're so thin, there are actually two of them. So we're now going to place this on here, like so. So we've got that there, everything's set up, and I'm being very, very careful to make sure this is centered on the anvil. I've now put that on there, and I'm now going to give this a jolly good whack. And it's as simple as that. There is that eyelet. It's in, it's secure, absolutely perfect. And if you feel that it could do with a little bit of an extra tap, then you can give it an extra little tap, as I've just done. Yep, to make that completely as it should be. So there we go. There's the first eyelet. And I'm just going to continue along here and do the rest. Now, the kit I received had some pretty good instructions. And, well, I say pretty good instructions, a diagram, and it's then actually pretty obvious what you do. And they're not very expensive. And as I said, I bought it on eBay. So there we go. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.